As with building, the first step to begin debugging in LPC Expresso is to make sure that the correct project, in this case the Blinky project, is currently active. Now, I will click Debug Blinky in the Quick Start panel, or I could click the bug icon on the toolbar. If this is the first time that you are debugging after plugging in LPC Expresso, then the LPC Expresso IDE will pop up a logo as it initializes the LPC Link JTAG probe on the LPC Expresso board. After initializing the probe, LPC Expresso will download the executable for the currently active project into flash memory. It will then execute through the C startup code and stop at the first line of C code in main. LPC Expresso allows execution control such as step over, step into, resume, as well as suspend, and restart. You may also run to the cursor by right-clicking and choosing Run to Cursor. A shortcut for this is Ctrl-R. Breakpoints can be set by double-clicking in the editor's left-hand gutter. Watch points are also supported. Sometimes you track a bug down to a specific line of C code, but you can't figure out what on that line is triggering it. In these cases, you might need to zoom in further. Click the Instruction Execution Mode Debug Toolbar button. This will open a new view that displays disassembly near the current program counter location. It will change the debugger step mode to step individual assembly instructions instead of full C lines. Sometimes this is just what you need to get to the bottom of things. LPC Expresso has many ways to view data. The easiest one is to hold the mouse over a variable in the code. The current value of the variable will pop up in a tooltip. Variables can also be examined in the Variables view. To add a variable to the Variables view, choose Add Global Variables, and then check the variables you would like to see. To examine LPC microcontroller registers, you can either choose the Core Registers view, or to see peripheral registers, you can go to the Peripherals view. In the Peripherals view, pick the system subsystem that you are interested in and check it. This will result in the memory window displaying all of the registers and bit fields for that subsystem. To view raw memory, go to the Memory view and select Go and put in an address. You will then have a traditional hex dump. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen to this brief introduction to the LPC Expresso development platform. If you have any other questions, please visit our technical support forum at www.nxp.com/lpcexpresso-forum, or more quickly, nxp.com/lpcexpresso-forum. Thank you.